everyone. Today's lecture is all about leading a business development team. Leadership is crucial in any business function, but it's especially important in business development. A business development team drives growth by identifying new opportunities, building partnerships, and exploring new markets. To lead this type of team effectively, you need strong leadership skills, excellent communication, and an understanding of team dynamics. Today, we will focus on what it takes to lead a high-performing business development team and how you can foster an environment where your team can thrive. This lecture will aid you in understanding the skills necessary to lead a successful business development team. Learn how to manage team dynamics for optimal performance. Explore communication strategies that enhance collaboration and innovation within the team. Recognizing the importance of fostering a team culture that supports growth and adaptability. Leading a business development team requires a unique set of skills. It's not just about managing people, it's about inspiring them to innovate, take risks, and pursue growth opportunities. Here are some key leadership skills you will need. As a leader, you need to set the direction for the team. You should have a clear vision of where the company is headed and how the business development team contributes to that vision. Being able to communicate this vision effectively keeps the team focused on long-term goals even when dealing with day-to-day challenges. Strategic decision making. Business development involves taking calculated risks. As a leader, you will need to make strategic decisions about which opportunities to pursue and which to pass on. This requires a balance of analytical thinking and intuition, as well as the ability to make decisions quickly. Empowering the team. Great leaders do not micromanage. Instead, they empower their team members to take initiative and ownership of their projects. By trusting your team and giving them the autonomy to explore new ideas, you create an environment where innovation can flourish. Emotional intelligence. Leading a team is as much about understanding people as it is about driving results. Emotional intelligence allows people to navigate interpersonal dynamics, understand team members' motivations, and manage conflicts effectively. Understanding team dynamics is critical for leading a business development team. Business development teams often work in a fast-paced, high-pressure environment where collaboration and creativity are essential. Here is how you can manage team dynamics for success. Building trust and collaboration. High-performance teams are built on trust. As the leader, you need to create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas, giving feedback, and working together. Encouraging open communication and collaboration ensures that the team functions as a cohesive unit. Diverse skill sets. A strong business development team benefits from a mix of skills. Some members may excel at market analysis, while others are great at relationship building or negotiating deals. As a leader, you should leverage these diverse strengths to create a well-rounded team that can tackle a variety of challenges. Conflict management. In any team, conflicts will arise. The key is to address them early and constructively. When team members disagree, it's important to listen to both sides, mediate where necessary, and help the team find a resolution that benefits everyone. Unresolved conflicts can disrupt team cohesion and undermine productivity. Effective communication is one of the most important elements of leadership. In business development, where teams must coordinate across departments and often with external partners, clear and consistent communication is essential. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular team meetings and one-on-one check-ins to stay updated on progress, address challenges, and provide guidance. These meetings also give you the opportunity to celebrate success and keep the team motivated. Transparent communication. Business development teams often deal with uncertainty, whether it's entering a new market or pursuing an untested partnership. It's important to maintain transparency, especially when dealing with setbacks. Let your team know where things stand, what the next steps are, and how they can contribute to solving problems. Encouraging feedback. Encourage your team to share their feedback openly, not only with you but also with each other. This fosters a culture of continuous improvement and ensures that everyone feels heard. When team members are comfortable sharing their thoughts, they are more likely to contribute innovative ideas. Leading a business development team also involves creating a culture that supports growth, adaptability, and continuous improvement. Here's how to cultivate growth-oriented team. Encouraging experimentation. Business development often involves trying new approaches and exploring uncharted markets. Encouraging your team to experiment with new ideas even if they do not always work out. A culture that supports experimentation fosters innovations and helps the team learn from both success and failure. Celebrating wins and learning from losses. Recognize and celebrate your team's accomplishments, whether it's landing a new partnership or successfully entering a new market. At the same time, when things don't go as planned, use these moments as learning opportunities. Help your team understand what went wrong and how they can improve next time. Investing in development. Encourage your team to keep learning and growing. This could be through formal training, attending industry conferences, or simply sharing resources. A team that is constantly learning is better equipped to adapt to changing market conditions and seize new opportunities. Think of leading a business development team like being the captain of a ship. The captain sets the course, but the crew must navigate through rough waters, adjust the sails, and keep the ship on track. Just like a captain trusts their crew to make quick decisions when necessary, a business development leader must trust their team to act decisively. By fostering collaboration, maintaining clear communication, and guiding the team toward a common goal, the leader ensures the ship and the business reaches its destination successfully. Research a successful business development team from a well-known company. Analyze the leadership style, team dynamics, and communication strategies used to achieve success. Write a 500-word essay on how the leadership of this team contributed to its high performance and growth. What do you think are the most important skills for leading a business development team? Have you experienced working in a team where the leadership or dynamics were particularly effective or ineffective? Feel free to share your thoughts during our next class discussion or reach out with any questions in the comment section. That's all for today. Next time, we will discuss how to drive innovation and growth within your team, building on the leadership concepts we've covered today. See you then.